Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're doing peach cobbler baked on the big green egg. Step one, we've got our big green egg set up for baking today. Indirect, 400 degrees. I've got a stick of butter in the pan that we're going to use. We want that to melt, so we're just going to set that right there in the middle, and we'll get started. In just a couple minutes, our butter is melted. We're going to pull that off. Okay, so for this recipe, it's 5 simple ingredients. We're going to start with self-rising flour, 1 cup, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of milk. So we're just going to mix this all together. It's okay if you have just a couple lumps. It doesn't have to be perfect like pancake mix. You just want to make sure you get all that flour mixed in with the milk. Now we're just going to add this to our butter. This is a great recipe I like to do if I've already cooked dinner on the big green egg and it's already cruising at a high temperature. You can just make this while your dinner is being prepped for the table and throw it right back in the egg, and then by the time you get done eating, your dessert's ready. And the trick to this, you do not stir at this point. We're going to add our peaches. Got a large can of the peach slices with the heavy syrup. And what I will do is just make sure they're evenly distributed there, but you do not want to stir it at this point in time. That's all going to rise through there. So resist the temptation. And now we're going to take a little bit of apple pie seasoning from Lane's. This stuff is just delicious. Adds a nice little sweet finish. Going to put this over the top. And you don't want to cut this short. And of course, as always, available with over 200 seasonings at Outdoor Home in Nixa. And you can even buy a little sample portion. This is ready to go on the big green egg. We've got it set to bake at 400 degrees, and this is going to bake for right at 45 minutes. It's been about 45 minutes. Check on our peach cobbler here. Yeah, nice bubbly. You can see it's browned up. All the dough is cooked through. That's ready to come off. We'll let that rest here for just a minute. There's our finished peach cobbler. At home, I'd like to put a little vanilla ice cream and then a little bit more of the homemade apple pie seasoning on top. If you'd like to try this at home, get the recipe at ky3.com, or you can stop by Outdoor Home in Nixa for all your needs and expert advice.